everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we're making zucchini bread, and these are all the ingredients that you will need. 1.5 cups grated zucchini, a 1/2 cup white sugar, a 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to preheat the oven at 350. I'm going to mix this all up, put it in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. And you also need a loaf pan. You guys seem to enjoy the shout outs that I give for the first few people that watch and comment on my last video. So I think I'm going to switch it up a little bit now. I may do random shout outs here and there. And I may still do the first few subscribers. But I will also do a shout out for a few subscribers that have been with me from the beginning and continuously watch my videos and comment, because I truly appreciate them. And I also appreciate the people that are always first to my videos. I think I'm just going to switch it up. So just be prepared. Just watch my videos and comment, and you may get a shout out. But I appreciate you. And even if you stay silent, you just watch my videos, don't say anything, I really appreciate you as well.